Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E14 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. We can switch to the in the standard video mode, sorry. We can switch to photo mode, but it does not really matter. What I wanted to show you is that I've got grid lines and the leveler. I've applied those options before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So those lines should disappear from the camera. So let's start. Let's try to reset camera preferences. We have to open the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this icon, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find this reset option in this about section. So let's tap on reset and tap on done. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and this is actually the very first evidence that the reset option works, because we've got this pop-up window with welcome to Moto camera. So this is the very first information which appears on the screen if you're opening the camera for the very first time. So this is the first evidence, and the second one, we do not have leveler, we do not have grid lines, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.